Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anand. In this video, I'm going to talk about DNB paper. Theory is for how many marks, practical is for how many marks, and how it is subdivided. This is an important video for all the students who are applying for DNB question paper, DNB exams. Now, number one, DNB, the theory, number one, this is the theory segment, one is the practical segment. The theory segment is for 400 marks and the practical segment is for 300 marks. The theory segment, which is of 400 marks, it is divided into paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, 100 marks, 100 marks, 100 marks, 100 marks. Whenever you give a DNB theory paper, your total theory paper is 400 marks and there are 4 sets, paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, and each paper consists of 100 marks, then 100, then 100, then 100. So total is 400 marks. And in that, now very important, for example, paper 1 is there. Paper 1 is for how many marks? 100 marks. Now this 100 marks has 10 questions and each question is 10 marks each, and it will be subdivided like 3 plus 3 plus 4. Define cerebral palsy, like for example, I am giving you a small example. Define cerebral palsy, what are the various types? Investigation and management. 3 marks for define cerebral palsy, 3 marks for the types, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Now 4 marks is for the investigation and management. So this is a one question which is total is for 10 marks. It will be subdivided into 3 plus 3 plus 4 or something like that. That's it. So this is important. Remember guys, that DNB question paper total is for 400 marks and there are 4 sets of paper and each set carries 100, 100 each. In that you have 10 questions, 10 questions, 10 questions, 10 questions, and each questions carry 10 marks, which is subdivided into 3 plus 3 plus 4 and something like that. Now coming to the practical. Now practical marks, very importantly, it is for 300 marks and 300 marks it is subdivided into 100 and 200. So 100 marks will be the OSCE and 200 marks will be the practical paper basically. In that you have the long case and short case. Now again I'm saying practical is for 300 marks, 100 marks is for OSCE. Now OSCE, very importantly, each question carries 5 marks and there will be 20 OSCE questions. Okay, so OSCE, I'll repeat again, 100 marks. So each OSCE carries 5 marks, will give you 20 OSCEs, and that's how it is. Total will be 100 marks. Now OSCE could be an image based question, could be an ABG sample, and it will be subdivided into 5. They'll give you an ECG. They will ask you how do you calculate heart rate in ECG. Number 2, how do you look for MI patients, like that. So they'll be subdivided. Each question will be 5 subdivision, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1 OSCE full, 5 marks, and that's it. Done. So last time I'm repeating. Practical is for 300 marks and 100 marks is the OSCE. Each OSCE is for 5 marks. There will be 20 OSCEs. And coming to the practical. Now practical 200 marks, it is divided into long case, 2 short cases, and then we have the table viva. Now see, it depends on institute to institute. Okay, if you have 200 marks of practical, 50 marks will be the long case, 25 and 25 marks each will be the short cases, and then whatever left, something like that, they'll be putting the table viva. Table viva, it is divided into, you have x-rays, you have spotters, you have drugs and instruments, and you have NRP. So now this depends on institute, how they do it. Some people, they collectively take the table viva, some people subdivide it. So it depends on college to college. So that's all about the DNB question paper, guys. Bottom line, 400 marks is the theory and 300 marks is the practical. In 300 marks practical, 100 is the OSCE and 200 is the practical examination. In the 200, we have 1 long case, we have 2 short case, and whatever marks left will be the table vivas. So this is the whole curriculum of DNB paper in India. However it comes, that is how the setup goes, like that. Very important to know, very important to think about it. And also the paper, the answer sheet will be checked at multiple levels. It will be not just one examiner who will be checking the whole theory paper. No, it is subdivided. One part of the theory paper will go to South India, one part will go to North India, and stuff like that. It is not like me only checking the whole 400 marks of paper. No, it doesn't happen that way. One paper will go to Kerala, one paper will go to Delhi, one paper will go to MP, like that. So that is why you need to study hard. That is why it is very easy also. That is why consistency is the key. So that was all about a DNB question paper, theory and practical. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you watch all the other videos of Conceptual Pediatrics. All videos are super amazing and super awesome, and that's it. So please take care and thank you.